Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about this thin but powerful device, the Jingleminer BTC Solo Mine Lottery Miner. It's a cool way to mine Bitcoin at home, and it's super beginner and friendly. This miner works with Wi-Fi. You just plug it in, connect to your internet, and that's it. It starts mining Bitcoin. It doesn't use much electricity and it runs quietly. You can leave it on your desk or shelf and it won't bother you at all. It's called a lottery miner because it works like a lottery system. Every time it tries to solve a block, it's like buying a ticket. You might not win today or tomorrow, but if you are lucky, it can hit a block and you earn the full reward. What I like most is how simple it is. You don't need a big setup, no noise, not complicated programs. Just the simple device. It's perfect for beginners or people who just want to experiment with solo mining without spending a lot. The Jingleminer BTC Solo is small, quiet, easy to use, and it gives you a real chance to mine Bitcoin from home. If you like tech, crypto, or just want to try something new, I definitely recommend checking it out.
Power on your Jingleminer, plug it in and flip the switch on the side. The screen will light up and show our QR code. Now, just open your phone's camera and scan the QR code. It will take you to the setup page. From there, follow the steps to connect your miner to Wi-Fi and start earning. Once connected, the miner automatically starts working in the background. You can monitor everything from your phone, earns, status, and more. Easy to set up, no tech skills needed.
Thanks for watching and see you the next one.